Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2020 Ford Ranger. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Get serious about your outdoor lifestyle. Take a closer look at this Ranger, the midsize pickup that's ready for work or adventure. Rigorously tested and proven tough even under extreme conditions, it offers a surprising tow and payload capacity, aerodynamic styling, and an irresistible blend of comfort and convenience. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, remote engine start, fog lamps, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, trailer hitch, alarm. Relax and enjoy the freedom of the great outdoors when you head for adventure in this comfortable and versatile Ranger. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our friendly staff will give you an outstanding customer experience.